You ready to fall? Walk! 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 You ready to fall? Good boy. Walk, bud. You gotta walk, buddy. Walk, buddy. Good boy. Walk. You can't sit. Walk.
This officially is the laziest dog on the planet.
This is in the northeast part of the country there, which is under a state emergency right now.
D?
Oh, there you get it. Open it, get it. There you go. Here's Nacho at the park. He doesn't want to leave, so he won't walk. We have to drag him out of the park. This is Alex dragging him.
He's like laughing because we're all laughing with him back because she's taking it.
You should have seen Kelly's face. Say, I'm just trying to be nice. Oh my goodness.
Diesel, this way. Come on. Oh, that's a sin. I'm sorry, look at Goko. Hopefully she doesn't run.
Dog's pulling him.
What do you got, food on you?
Asleep in Stewie's overalls.